Annyeong. Outfit for today. Chore. Pink yarn.
Gina-expect ko kayo matapos mga 11.
Pass the phone to Mimi. Pass the phone to someone na. Kasi pasa mo kay Sam. Hi, I'm passing the phone to Sam. Kay Tayeng. Ay, Tayeng! Tapos I'm passing the phone kay Lizzy. Kamukan man kayo mo. I'm passing the phone. I'm passing the phone.
Passing na po.
I'm passing the phone. Ipasa daw ng Zoom.
Hi guys. Init ko diri.
Kay Rose. Mamaya kay Rose lang. Hindi ma-drawing ang mga mukha nila. Mainit na ba yun? Mamaya kay Rose. Tamang decision. You're passing the phone to the graduating student. Yeah! Picture. Ay, may... Asan yung graduating student? Ayun. Going home, everybody.
Goodbye. Tapos na po ang graduation.
Ay, nang ano. Ayun o. Busy siya, busy. Samrod. Marmy. Shin. Graduate na yun. So, Ina. Yeah. Ay.
Okay, safe pa yung 3,000 ko.
Safe pala, safe.
Safe pa yung money.
Yeah.